Is your manufacturing company website working as hard as it could be to generate leads? In this video, we'll show you 7 proven ways to improve your website and drive more inquiries and sales. 1. Clear call to actions. It might seem simple, but they're crucial. Don't just have pages outlining your services, always include a clear action. For example, request a quote or contact us for more details. These prompts guide visitors and encourage them to take the next step. 2. Use quote forms. A well-designed quote form makes it easy for potential clients to request pricing. By simplifying the process, you increase the likelihood of getting a response. Advanced quote forms can even ask relevant questions based on prior answers, making them user-friendly and efficient. 3. Enable online ordering or quoting. For manufacturers that sell directly to customers, offering online ordering or quoting can be a game changer. Allow users to add products to their basket and request a quote, or better yet, pay directly for their products. This streamlines the buying process and can lead to quicker conversions. 4. Write blog posts. Regular SEO-optimized blog posts can really drive traffic to your site. Share insights on how your products work or industry trends. Promoting these on social media helps expand your reach. And don't forget, within each blog post, include CTAs to guide readers to your services or contact page. 5. Mailing list. Building a mailing list is another effective lead generation tool. Add a simple sign-up form to your site and start sending newsletters with product updates, offers, and industry news. With well-timed emails and links to your website, you'll keep your leads engaged and encourage them to get in touch. 6. Free consultations. Offering free consultations can also help generate valuable leads. A contact form or link for booking consultations gives potential clients a no-pressure way to reach out. And for a smooth experience, use automatic booking systems so users can choose a time that suits them. 7. Show reviews and testimonials. Social proof goes a long way in building trust. Displaying positive feedback from satisfied clients can reassure new visitors and encourage them to reach out to your business. Implementing these strategies can help turn your website into a lead-generating machine. Start today and watch your business grow. We hope these tips help you enhance your website's performance. For more insights on growing your business, make sure to follow us and stay updated.